So special thanks to the company tagged in this video for sending me this product. It arrived like this from Amazon, just in one of those little soft sleeves. There's no box or anything. This is exactly how it came. Now, you're probably not able to tell, but this is, oh wow, it's in another bag. This is, there we go. So the first question I think a lot of people will ask is, are these glass? No, these are plastic because these are little LEDs inside of here. Got a little user's guide with safety information. And if you're wondering what this is those lights that you would typically see on the back of a porch or on some type of nice deck that lights up and looks really cool. They're all LED. I'll go over the specs of how long it is once I get it outside and hook it up for you, but you can kind of see essentially what you get here. How many bulbs we got? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. It looks like 20, looks like 25 or 24 with 2 extra bulbs. Either way, plugs into a standard outlet, and this looks like it even has a fuse in it. It does. Look at that. Fuse is in there, so that's always good. And then actually, one thing I noticed, this side ends with an extra plug. So if you got 2 of these, you could plug it in and extend it and just have to use one outlet. So let's take these outside and hook them up and see exactly what they look like at nighttime. All right, so we're going to put these on the front porch since we don't have a back porch currently. And since we don't have outside outlets, we'll run it through this window where Zeppelin's barking. So let's see how we can get these hung up. All right, so we hung them here. We're gonna get a drop cord to run through to here since we don't have outlets on our porch. But I've loosely fixed them along this just so that we can see what they would look like on a porch essentially. They go down here and then kind of curve back around to here. So once it gets dark, we will run us a drop cord and power these on and see what they look like. All right, tons of fireworks going on, but the queen is about to plug them in. Let's see what these look like.
Here's everything's okay.
Whoa, that's pretty bright.
Yeah.
Dang.
Heck yeah. That one's out.
Which one? Oh, it might need to be screwed in. If not, we have 2 replacement bulbs. Look at that. It just needed to be screwed in. It stretched all the way down to here, and then went here, and then all the way to here. So it's pretty long. Depending on your back porch, you know, it's gonna make it. But man, this is amazing. Our whole porch is lit up by these lights. If we had a smart plug to put these on and a plug outside, I'd probably leave these up here because it works. This looks great. Our whole front yard is like lit up and bright. She seems to really like this.
And this is the color I like. See, it goes better than the white lights.
So there we go. That is these LED lights. Quite amazing. Just as long as you got a spot to plug them in or a drop cord to run, put them on a smart switch. You could control them however you wanted at that point. Timers, cutting them on and off, etc. Instead of having to deal with an outlet. Is this like fogging up? Well, that'll do it for this video as well. Hope you liked the video, and we will see you in the next one. Deuces.